Hey guys, how's it going? Grayson here. Welcome back to my channel. It is a gorgeous day here today in growing zone 8A in North Carolina. The high today is going to be 79 degrees and I'm looking so forward to working out in the yard today. We're going to start in the backyard. I'm going to be working on a garden bed out here by my tool shed. I've got some weeding to do. Let me show you the bed I'm talking about. Okay, here we are. This is the flower bed I'm talking about. This is right by my tool shed. I have all my tools and my kneeling pad laid out, ready to go. Yeah, I've got to do some maintenance in this bed. I've got some really nice things in here. It's just hard to see because of the weeds. I tell you, it's the story of my life. It's all I can do to keep up with the weeding, y'all. And since I'm the full-time gardener, I'm the one that has to deal with it, so we might as well go ahead and get started. But you can see some things poking through here. Can't even see the brick border, unfortunately. But I want you to look first, real quick, at this beautiful iris that's in here. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So pretty. Gorgeous. And they are in bud. This is the first one that's blooming. I've got a little quick fire hydrangea here. I've got a white pillar rose of Sharon here. A little limelight hydrangea here. I've got various other things. I've got lamb's ear. I have some Holy Grail hibiscus in here that I would love to take out and transplant, maybe up in the driveway bed. I have black and blue salvia here that's coming up. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get after it. I've got some Shasta daisies here. It's just a smorgasbord of things in this bed. And as you can see the before, you can see a little bit of the brick border here, but we are going to make this flower bed look so much better. Here we go. I have a bank of black and blue salvia that runs all the way down to the little building here. And yeah, it just spreads itself around. This is a beautiful perennial. Black and blue salvia is exactly what it sounds like. It is so blue that it's almost black. It is a hummingbird magnet. So usually what happens is the old stalks, you know, die back, and you just go in and clear them off. They're real easy to clean out. I've already done quite a bit of them. And you really just want to go in. You almost can't kill the stuff. And you just want to pop the old sticks off. They pop off pretty easily. Well, that looks so much better, and I'm not even finished with it yet, but at least we can now see the outline of the brick border and all of the lambs here. That's the Helen von Stein. I love that stuff. I've got a fill in here. I have some Paint the Town Magenta Dianthus, more Helen von Stein, Cat's Pajamas Nepeta here, a little bit more Paint the Town Magenta Dianthus. Here's the Shasta Daisy growing around the brick border that I want to transplant. Still needs quite a bit of work on it. The hydrangeas are going to get trimmed back, and then we're going to mulch, and then I've got to fertilize it, and then I've got to tackle this hedge at some point. These are ligustrum, and there's some kind of funky vine growing in it that I've got to get out. And I want to bring that down possibly to the roof line of the shed. The beautiful iris are all beginning to wake up and bloom. Here is the white pillar rose of Sharon from Proven Winners. It's doing excellent. I also have one up front. Here's the little quick fire hydrangea here. This is a little limelight right here. And then there's a little Annabelle hydrangea here. Various daffodils that have already bloomed out. But this is the state of affairs now. Like I said, I'm not gonna mulch it right now. I'll probably come in with compost a little later. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video, y'all. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today as I clean out this garden bed by the back shed. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It really does help me to continue to grow. And as always, thank you for watching Gardening with Grayson. I'll see you in the next video.